Good day, good day. This is Lawson. I want to do a really quick demo explaining how you're going to access your Google Drive file that you have that we create here in our office with Lawson Business Solutions Incorporated. Okay, awesome. So what we'll do is create the files and we'll create folders inside of that file and we'll email that to you. So you'll get an email, something like that. So these are two clients that onboarded around the same day. And here's what the email will say from YC Lawson. And it'll also say that this is coming via Google Drive. Okay, let me click show images. Okay, so with that being said, you'll simply just open up the email that we send to you. Again, you'll see the information in here in regards to what we need you to do first. The very first thing that we will need you to do is complete your onboarding questionnaire. Now, it is quite a bit of information. Some things you will know, and you'll be able to just write that down really quick. Some things you will have to take the time to find out what that information is, and some things just may not pertain to you. Okay, so and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself, reach out to Jasmine if she is your if she's your account manager, and reach out to any of us. Any of us here in this office. Okay, so you'll just simply click open. When you click open, it's going to take you to Google Drive. Now, I believe that for the most part, when we set these Google Drives up, we set the Google Drive up so that anyone that has that link is able to access it. So you don't have to necessarily have a Gmail account. But if you do, it's still a great mode to go ahead and log in to your Gmail if you do have a Gmail account. Okay, so what we're going to do now is everyone is going to have these 4 folders. Okay, we're going to have the videos and audio. We're also going to have onboarding, images, and call recording. The very first folder that we want you all to go into is the onboarding. You're going to go into the onboarding and you're going to download your file just like they downloaded their file here. Once you download this onboard, it is a Word document, so you'll just type in the information that we ask of you, and you can simply download that, type it in, using your Word, or you can use any of the Google apps that are available, like Google Docs. Like Google Docs, and you can use Google Docs to complete this and upload it back here into the file. So to upload into the file, just go back to your file. Let's see. Let's go to this one. Okay, so to upload the file, you'll just go to your file. And let's say we want to upload a video or some type of audio or MP3, something that someone's voice or some music is playing. Okay, we're going to upload that into this file here. We'll click on it and you can see this client here. We already have a lot of information for her. And then we'll just click on new. And the type of file we're going to upload will more than likely be a file. Very seldomly do we actually upload whole folders. But if you've created some type of folder on your computer that has all of your information in it, feel free to just select folder and upload that entire folder. If you're going to upload file, just click file upload, and you'll be able to go in here and upload whatever file or whatever piece of information that you plan on uploading. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, and I do actually have some files that I need to upload. I'm going to go to images because these are some image files that I need to upload for this client that we created that will be posted onto their social media account. So I'm just going to go to file upload. As you can see, I am in the pictures section, the images section. So I'm just going to go to the images that we plan on utilizing for this client's social media post. Or even if some of the posts are not necessarily related exactly to this client's exact social media post, then it could just be something that we're going to use to create maybe a video or something like that with also, okay? So I am going to upload the recent files that I downloaded for this client, and then I'm going to hit open. Okay, and you'll see here to your right that Google Drive will begin processing this upload. And once it processes that upload, then that information is in there. I am on a slower computer right now, so it's taken a little while. Okay, look, it's all uploaded. But normally when I'm on a faster computer, like at the computer in my office, it uploads really, really fast. So that's it. You just do it. You click on that and you upload, and that's it. Anytime you want anything new, feel free to, go out and upload those items for us. Let's see, let me go back to, so the main things in the folders, let me go over that one more time. The main things in the folders, and a lot of things that we will ask of you, if you have any pre-recorded audio, anything like that, then just, let us know and we'll create this file automatically for you. You can upload it there. Thank you. Bye.